What's up, guys? Welcome back to Fish Over Chicks Woodworking. My name is Peter. Today I'm going to be showing you how to build this super awesome, super simple floating wine holder. And all you need is one piece of 2x4 that's at least 13 inches long. So let's get into it. This project is great because the only thing you need is a scrap piece of 2x4. Make sure it's at least 13 inches long, and that's it. All you need is a piece of 2x4. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut one of the ends at a 40-degree angle. So now that you've got that cut on one side, you're going to place it down and you're going to measure 9 inches from the tip of the cut. Once you've got 9 inches marked, you're going to go and you're going to cut that at 40 degrees as well, making sure that you make that 40-degree cut the same way. Alright, now that you've got both of those angles cut, you're going to go from here down 1.5 inches and make another mark. So that mark right there, 1.5 inches down, is where we're going to drill our hole. So now that you've got 1.5 inches away marked, you're going to grab your drill and get a 1.5 inch drill bit, and that is what you're going to drill your hole with. Drilled, you are pretty much done. I'd say, you're definitely going to want to sand it down nice, make it smooth, make it look really nice, maybe around these edges. But yeah, you're done. It's going to work now. There it is. Works like a charm. So yeah, floating wine holder. That is how you build it. Super easy, awesome project. Cheap, awesome scrap project. But yeah, so thank you so much for watching. My name is Peter. I do videos here all the time. If you enjoyed this, please give it a like, please subscribe, and comment down below any other videos you'd like me to make. So, until next time, thank you for watching.